Welcome to Practical Tech, a beginner's guide to WordPress. So you've decided to take the dive and go into WordPress. Well, congratulations. You've decided on one of the most popular content management systems, or CMSs for short, and a CMS that's extremely and widely supported. So the first thing is first, you're deciding to implement a WordPress site. Now you might be a small business owner for a restaurant or a landscaping business and you want to manage your content, or you're starting up a blog or pretty much any sort of website. WordPress is a great CMS to get running on. Now you could go a more traditional route of static web pages, but you don't have to do that. You probably shouldn't do that at this point. You have to do, if you haven't done this already, is decide on a web hosting plan and picking your domain name. Now, those are two very important things. If you're a landscaping business, say, you should probably pick something with the landscaping keyword in the domain name. It shouldn't be something like, if you look at my screen here, tools. That just wouldn't make any sense at all. You want to pick something that's very descriptive, so people can, can help find people can help find your website. Now, there's different hosts out there. Now, if I should preface this in saying, if you already have a web host and you already have a WordPress site installed and ready to go, you can skip this section. But this section is a real quick primer for people that haven't picked a web hosting plan yet, or they have not actually installed WordPress. Now it is really easy, and we're going to be focusing on web hosts that have a WordPress single click or simple installer. Now some of the web hosts that I'm going to be talking about, the first one is called SiteGround. That's SITE ground.com. Now these are the people that I use. Extremely, I highly recommend them very much. They have different plans here, as you can see, and they have also a WordPress. They have WordPress services. They have WordPress hosting. You can see here they have the one-click installer, and I'll come back to them a little bit later. The other one that I've used before also is called DreamHost, DreamHost.com. Now they have a single click or one click WordPress install here as well. Now they have the shared hosting. If you're a smaller business, especially, the shared hosting should be good enough for you. The other popular web host is GoDaddy. Now they have different plans at different prices here, and they also do WordPress hosting. Now the final one I'll talk about, which seems to be really popular, is called BlueHost, BlueHost.com. Now they have a word optimized hosting for WordPress, but I notice here it's $20. That seems a bit excessive in my opinion. Now they might do some extra goodies for you in optimization, but you'll have to check that out. This is not really a video that's meant for to discuss web hosts. This is more about installing.